A single correlated subquery can turn a millisecond query into a 10-second nightmare. Let's fix that. The core problem. Correlated subqueries execute once for every single row in your outer query. If you have 1,000 customers, that subquery runs 1,000 times. Each execution hits the database independently, creating massive overhead and grinding performance to a halt. The best solution is rewriting as a join. Instead of asking the database to look up related data row by row, you fetch everything at once with a 9-letter join or left join. This changes the execution from n separate operations to a single set-based operation. The difference is dramatic. What took 10 seconds now completes in milliseconds. Alternatively, use exists with a derived table or a common table expression. This approach is especially powerful when you only need to check for existence rather than retrieve actual values. CTEs also make your query more readable and let the optimizer cache intermediate results. If you must keep the subquery, add an index on the correlated columns to speed up each lookup. But always validate your optimization with the X-spline or an execution plan. Verify that the cost actually dropped and you're not creating new bottlenecks elsewhere. Master correlated subquery optimization. Rewrite as joins, leverage CTEs, index strategically, and always verify with execution plans. Practice this at interviewmentor.ai. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.